Someone once asked me, "How are you?" And all I could say was, "Fine."
What's wrong with fine, Hailey? I say that every day.
Nothing's wrong with it, Ryan, except it hides everything. I wasn't fine. I was nervous, tired, and a little sad, all at once.
But you only had one word for three feelings.
Exactly. And that's the real problem most English learners have. Not grammar, vocabulary for what's actually happening inside them.
Okay, everyone. Welcome back to Everyday English. I'm Ryan.
And I'm Hailey. Today, we're learning how to describe your feelings clearly, honestly, in English.
And we're going to do it with one simple picture. Weather.
Because every feeling you've ever had already has a matching sky.
A matching sky. I like that already.
By the end of this episode, fine will never be your only answer again.
Before we start, everyone, quick, honest moment.
A lot of you listen to these lessons every week, and quietly, your English keeps improving.
But if you haven't subscribed yet, you might just miss the next one without even noticing.
So take 2 seconds right now, tap subscribe, and let's talk about the weather inside you. Hailey, honestly, sometimes I feel something and I just don't have the word for it. That happens to everyone, Ryan, in every language, not just English. So it's not that my English is weak? No, it's that nobody ever gave you a map for your own emotions. Today, we're building that map together.
A map made of weather?
Exactly. Sunny skies, rain, storms, fog, and finally, clear skies again. Every feeling fits somewhere.
I'm ready to check the forecast.
So take 2 seconds right now. Tap subscribe. And let's talk about the weather inside you. Let's start with the sunny sky, Ryan. The bright, warm feelings.
Happy.
When do you feel happy?
When my morning starts slow. Good coffee. No rush. That's my sunny sky.
I feel happy when I finish something difficult and close my laptop.
What about glad? I hear that one a lot too.
Glad is a soft version of happy, often about one specific thing. I'm glad you're here today.
And excited?
Excited is sunny weather with wind in it. Happy energy pointed toward the future.
I feel excited before a trip. Or before recording an episode like this one.
That's the whole sunny group, Ryan. Happy, glad, excited. Bright sky, warm light, forward motion. Now, the opposite sky, I'm guessing. Exactly. Rain, sad.
I feel sad when plans change suddenly. Something I was looking forward to just cancels.
I feel sad when I hear sadness in a friend's voice, even if they don't say much.
Feelings really do travel between people.
They do. And there's a quieter rain, too. Disappointed.
That one feels sneaky.
It is. You expected something good. You imagined it clearly. And then it just didn't happen.
Not angry, not shocked, just a little let down.
Exactly, Ryan. Light rain, not a storm. and it's completely okay to feel it. Rain is part of every sky. What happens when the rain gets heavier, Hailey? It becomes a storm. Angry.
I feel angry when something feels unfair. When I try my best and things still go wrong.
And there's a specific kind of storm.
Frustrated. That's my technology feeling. When nothing works and I'm running out of time.
Frustrated is when you're not angry at a person. You're tired of a situation you can't fix yet.
What about annoyed? That feels smaller.
It is a small storm, more like a passing wind, a phone buzzing again and again.
Small storm, big storm, same sky family.
Exactly, Ryan. Angry, frustrated, annoyed. Same weather, different strength. Now, Ryan, here's a sky that's not stormy, not sunny, just unclear.
Fog.
Exactly. Nervous. That shaky feeling before something important.
I feel nervous before starting something new, even when I know it will probably be fine.
Your stomach says, wait, before your brain finishes the sentence.
And worried?
Worried is thicker fog. Your mind keeps circling the same thought again and again.
I felt worried once after sending an important message and getting no reply for hours.
And when that fog doesn't lift for days, it becomes anxious.
Anxious feels like nervous that just stays.
Exactly. Your body is here, but your mind is already somewhere in the future.
Nervous, worried, anxious. Light fog, thick fog, fog that won't clear.
Some days, Ryan, the sky just can't decide what it's doing.
Mixed weather.
Surprised. Sun and rain at the exact same time.
A good surprise or a bad one?
Exactly. And if it's very strong, shocked. Your brain literally pauses for a second.
What about confused?
Confused is fog mixed with wind, everything blowing in different directions at once.
I feel confused when someone explains something too fast. I hear the words, but my brain says, wait, what?
And sometimes confusion drifts into something quieter, lonely.
Lonely feels like gray sky, even with people around you.
Exactly. You can be surrounded by people and still feel that gray.
And overwhelmed?
That's every kind of weather arriving at once. Rain, wind, fog, all together. And you don't know where to stand.
My brain just freezes when that happens.
Everyone's does, Ryan. It's a real forecast, not a personal failure. Now, the sky that comes after the storm, Ryan.
Clearing skies.
Relieved. Pressure disappears, and your shoulders finally drop.
I felt relieved once after worrying about something for days, and it finally ended well.
Hopeful comes next. Even if today was hard, your heart says tomorrow can be better.
And proud?
Proud is warm sunlight after real effort. I finished something I almost gave up on.
What about grateful? I hear that word a lot in this kind of conversation.
Grateful is the calmest sky of all. You stop and simply notice what you already have.
Relieved, hopeful, proud, grateful. The sky clearing, piece by piece.
Everyone's does, Ryan. It's a real forecast, not a personal failure. Let's practice choosing the right sky, everyone. I'll describe a moment. Ryan names the weather.
Ready.
You wake up late. Your phone battery is low, and you can't find your keys.
Stormy, frustrated, and a little anxious fog mixed in too.
Someone you admire tells you you did a great job.
Clearing skies, proud, happy, grateful.
You finish a long, difficult week and finally sit down.
Relieved, and honestly, exhausted too.
Perfect, Ryan.
You're already reading your own sky without translating in your head first. Everyone listening, here's today's question. And it's a personal one.
What is one emotion you feel often, and why?
It could be happy, tired, hopeful, grateful. Anything at all. There's no wrong answer.
Write it in the comments in one sentence, using today's words if you can.
We personally read every single comment, and we reply to as many as we can.
Say your answer out loud too, right now, wherever you're listening.
Let's remember the whole forecast, Ryan.
Sunny is happy, glad, excited. Rainy is sad, disappointed.
Stormy is angry, frustrated, annoyed.
Foggy is nervous, worried, anxious.
Mixed weather is surprised, confused, lonely, overwhelmed. And clearing skies are relieved, hopeful, proud, grateful. Every feeling you have already fits somewhere in this sky.
And if this lesson helped you name something you've been feeling all week, that's exactly why we make these episodes.
If you're new here, don't leave without subscribing. It's the only way we can promise you won't miss the next lesson.
It takes one tap right now before you scroll away.
Keep noticing your weather. Keep practicing. Keep speaking.
Until next time, everyone.
Bye, and see you in the next lesson.